To view or modify a user's access, select the Organization tab. Select Users. Select the department. Click on the User Security icon. There are three key menu options: Campaigns, Organization Setup, Your Account. Click on the Edit icon. There are three main access rights. None, where no access is granted and the menu option will not be displayed. Viewer, where the menu option is displayed and the information can only be viewed. Editor, where the menu is displayed and information can be modified. New users are granted the default access settings that gives the user edit access to the campaigns, view only to the organization setup, and no access to the Your Account. Using the edit, a user's access can be changed. In addition to the three key-level menu security settings, the Details setting allows a user's access to be fine-tuned in more detail at the sub-menu level. For example, if we want the Accounts Manager to be granted access so they can add and modify the finance department's required skills, and to define and maintain the individual finance roles. Granting the user edit access to the Organization menu would allow them access to all the Organization tab submenus, which might not be desirable. To limit their access to a selected number of the Organization tab submenus, set the organization to allow access to the settings. Save. OK. This has enabled the Detail icon for the Organization tab. Click on the Details icon. Edit. Set all the Organization tab submenu items to no access. Then for the Skills and Roles submenus, set them to Edit. Click Save. OK. Exit. When Susie Chang logs in, she will now have the Organization menu option. Note that she is limited to the Finance Organization unit and its dependents. She will have the Skills and Roles submenu available to her. Click on Roles. She is able to use the Edit icon to edit the existing, or the Add New icon to add roles. Click on Edit. With the privilege set to OU user, Susie Chang's access is limited to the Finance Organization unit and any dependents. Set the privilege to Global User. Save. OK. Now when Susie Chang logs in, clicks on Organization tab, the Global User access has granted her access to the Skills and Roles for all of the organization's organization units. Users can be assigned administration privileges. Click on Edit. Select Administrator from the list of privileges. Save. OK. Administration privilege will grant the user full access and supersede any other access settings. To remove administration privileges, select Edit. Select either Global User or OU user. Save. OK. Click on Edit. There is a facility that allows the recruiter to communicate to the candidate using a chat facility. Access to the chat facility can be granted or denied by setting the user's Enable Candidate Chat checkbox. Save. OK. A user's access can be disabled by clicking on the Disable icon. OK. A user's disabled access can be re-enabled by clicking on the Enable icon. OK. A user's security settings can be reset to the default by clicking on the Reset icon. OK.